Are you ready to learn how to start crypto mining on your PC today? Let's dive in step by step. First, choose the right cryptocurrency to mine based on factors like profitability and your hardware. Next, set up a digital wallet to store your mined coins securely. Then, select the mining software compatible with your chosen cryptocurrency and hardware. Make sure to join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning rewards consistently. Adjust your PC's settings to optimize performance for mining, such as adjusting power settings and cooling systems. Keep track of your mining progress by monitoring metrics like hash rate and temperature regularly. Stay updated on market trends and adjust your mining strategy accordingly to maximize profitability. Remember to back up your wallet regularly to ensure your earnings are safe and secure. Finally, consider the environmental impact of mining and ensure your setup is energy efficient.